using the card-specific questions list in Trello. If you're completing a template and you've got a question to ask, simply move your card over to the card-specific questions list in Trello. A red label will automatically appear on the card. This signals that you've got a question to be answered. Simply go to the comments box and type your question, starting with @ and your mentor's name or a member of Team Altiorem. Hit save. When your mentor comes to answer the question, they will type their response in the comments box here. They will then turn the label from red to green, signaling that the question has been answered. When you go to your card, if they have answered the question properly, then that's great. If they haven't, then turn the card back to having a red label and write a comment here and just explain that you need a bit more clarification with something. When you do have an answer and you're happy and you're satisfied and you can continue on your work, then just move the card back to in progress. Any labels that red or green labels that are here will automatically disappear. We do try to answer all the questions at once. So if you're going through a template, just save all your questions up and then move the card over and ask them all at one time. This will be more efficient for you and your mentor.